Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, you will learn about the integumentary system. Your integumentary system contains your largest organ, the skin. In fact, your skin makes up 16% of your overall weight. So how does your skin help keep you alive? First, it protects you from dehydration by keeping water in your body. Your skin helps to keep harmful germs and pathogens outside. Your skin keeps you in touch with your outside world. Nerve endings in your skin allow you to feel the world around you. Your skin helps you maintain your homeostasis by regulating your body temperature. For example, small glands in your skin excrete sweat, and as sweat evaporates, it helps to cool you down. Skin helps you get rid of waste and manufactures vitamin D. Your skin comes in many different colors due to a chemical called melanin. Melanin absorbs ultraviolet light from the skin, and this helps to guard you against some of the harmful effects of the sun. Your skin has several layers. The outside layer is your epidermis. You see your epidermis when you look at your skin. Next, your dermis is beneath the epidermis, and below the dermis is the hypodermis, which is a fatty layer of subcutaneous tissue that can be used as an energy reserve. The epidermis contains many cells, but is only as thick as 2 sheets of paper. The dermis, which is found beneath, contains several different parts, such as blood vessels, nerve fibers, hair follicles, muscle fibers, which are attached to hairs and help the hairs stand up, oil glands, which help keep the skin flexible and waterproof, and sweat glands. The hypodermis contains fatty subcutaneous tissue, which helps with insulation and can be used as an energy reserve. Your integumentary system also contains hair and nails. Hair helps protect your skin from ultraviolet light and helps keep particles like dust out of your eyes and lungs. Your hair also helps to keep you warm. So next time you hear your epidermis is showing, you can be sure your skin is helping to keep you alive. Thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.